In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add tags in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, go to the project that you wish to add tags on your task. Now, I have this sample project open. Now, let's first discuss what are tags. Tags are basically short descriptions that you can input on your task. So, how can you add one? Let's click one of these tasks, for example. As you can see, my tags right here is currently empty. But if you click here, you should see all of the available tags like improve usability, CSAT, low priority, or urgent. Or you can even add tags right here, let's say high priority. Once I enter that, it will automatically create a new tag that you can use. Simple, right? So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.